Posture starts from the ground up. Your Pro Adjuster chiropractor will evaluate you for proper posture and gait mechanics by evaluating the structures of your foot and arches during your examination. Any distortion in the foot leads to stress on the knees, hips, and lower back, leading to poor posture and symptoms. The computerized analysis scanner allows the doctor to assess the biomechanics of the foot. Any problems in the foot can be detected and then supported by prescribing a custom-made insert called an orthotic or spinal pelvic stabilizer. The customized step adjuster orthotic is designed to correct your posture by restoring function of the feet, thus improving balance and coordination. These prescription-based custom-made flexible step adjuster inserts are placed in your shoes, and your Pro Adjuster doctor will give you instructions on how to wear them.